The OIG team inspected the health clinic on June 24th. The results noted the impact hot temperatures inside are having on workers, patients, and test kits.
So it's a trifecta situation of just conditions that need to change.
City Inspector General Isabel Cumming issued another troubling report on the Druid Sexual Health Clinic on West North Avenue. This inspection uncovered working conditions and unbearable heat.
We have employees that are working in these conditions, and we had patients that were literally saying, "Oh my God, it's so hot."
I was in there yesterday and it was burning up. And I kept asking them people, can they cut on the air? And they keep telling me they're working on it.
It is hot in that building, and I really would not advise anybody to go in there to have some services done, to go somewhere else.
Really, I don't think they're doing their job like they're supposed to, you know.
The OIG inspection spotted several staff office rooms that were not in use because of the heat.
They were so hot that people were actually moving into the center of the building where it was just a little cooler.
The report indicates the staff told investigators the computer service room is supposed to be kept at 70 degrees. If it gets too hot, the electricity will go out. A staff member told the OIG the power went out the previous week. Rapid testing for HIV and hepatitis C were stopped because the high building temperature could cause inaccurate test results. The report notes some test kits had expired because of the temperature fluctuations in the building.
The testing kits, the very important testing kits that people come for, they can be damaged as a result of the heat.
The OIG report indicates there are not enough windows for external AC units, and the electrical wiring could not support freestanding AC units. The West North Avenue clinic went through several unscheduled closures because of the heat. Staff told investigators this happens repeatedly from May through September.
Just look, the reality of it is, look where it is. Look at 99% of the people that go there for services. There ain't nothing new. So we ain't going to go around that mulberry bush.
This is the third OIG report on the clinic. Previous ones highlighted by 11 News Investigates exposed unsanitary conditions that included a rat infestation. A return OIG inspection discovered a mummified rat.
The citizens of Baltimore are tired of the talk. I think it has to become a priority.
Health Department officials told the IG the building's air conditioning unit has been repaired. Portable units, as you can see, are in place just in case. A temporary location, if needed, may be available next month. The long-term plan is to relocate to a newly renovated facility within the next 2 years. Reporting from West Baltimore, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.